When we wish to make a division by a decimal number, what we want to do is to make this dividing decimal number into a whole number. So let's look at example A, and we'll initially set up as normal for a division sum. Like so. Now we want to turn the dividing number 0.6 into a whole number. What this comes down to in these kinds of sums is to multiply the dividing number by a power of 10 that will move the decimal point to the right enough times to create a whole number. It so happens that 0.6 multiplied by 10 results in a whole number of 6 as it moves the decimal point one place to the right. But here's the thing, we also have to do the same multiplication we did to the dividing decimal number by the number we're dividing in order to keep the overall division sum the same. So we have 4.38 also multiplied by 10, and moving decimal point one place to the right results in 43.8. So we can make the necessary changes to our sum. We have 6 as a dividing number, and decimal point moves to the right to give 43.8 below. And as usual with decimal numbers involved with division, we place a decimal point directly above the same place where we expect our answer. Now from here we can use long division. Now 6 does not go into 4, so 0 goes above. 6 multiplied by 0 is 0. Subtracting that from 4 just leaves 4. We're bringing the next digit down, 3, gives us 43. Ignoring remainders, 6 goes into 43 7 times. Now 6 multiplied by 7 gives 42. Subtracting that from 43 gives us 1. So again, bringing the next digit down alongside the 1 gives 18. 6 goes into 18 exactly 3 times. So 6 times 3, as expected, is 18. Taking that away leaves 0 below, and we are done with our long division. So as 43.8 divided by 6 is effectively the same sum as 4.38 divided by 0.6, our answer here is the answer to the original division sum. So 4.38 divided by 0.6 is 7.3. With example B, we can use the same approach as we did for example A. Set up initially as we would for a division sum. Only this time, rather than 0.6, we have 0.06, so we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the right to get a whole number for the dividing decimal number. And it so happens, if we multiply by 100, this gives us the whole number of 6 that we're looking for. But again, we have to do the same multiplication to the number that we're dividing. And this has the same effect. Decimal point moves 2 places to the right, leaving us with this number. So if we again look to alter the division sum we've set up, we add on a 0 here. Though we may not need it, we also include the decimal points. So if we proceed with long division, 6 does not go into 3. And then we subtract 6 multiplied by 0 from 3, which just leaves 3. Bringing 4 down gives us 34. Ignoring remainders, 6 goes into 34 5 times. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. We subtract that below to leave 4. We bring the 5 down alongside the 4, gives 45. And 6 goes into 45 7 times. 6 times 7 is 42. Subtracted gives us 3. And if we bring the 0 down alongside the 3, we get 30. 6 goes into 30 5 times. And 6 times 5 gives us 30, which leaves 0 below. So with no more long division to be done, we have the answer to the original division sum. 34.5 divided by 0.06, and it's 575.